Hello everyone, Don Master. I got a mini Mac tool haul. I ordered these because he didn't have them. They're part of the promo for $45. The 4-piece precision screwdriver set. Made in Germany. They're the top torque 2. And the promotion's only available in green. And the part number is 6534446. Actually, you know what? They're actually SPRG4. That's what they look like in there. Let's get these open. Show you what they look like. Alrighty, so pretty nice screwdrivers. They're the small handled ones, and these smaller ones, they say WIT, made in Germany. That's who manufactures these for Matco. The Matco part isn't even stamped in there, it's just inked on, so that's going to wear off. It's already wearing off from my thumb. Chrome vanadium extra. This is a number 0 Phillips. Pretty nice. Plastic in the center with the green rubber on the outside, and these feel really good. If these are lifetime warranty, if I damage a tip, I get a whole brand new screwdriver. So far, I like them. The only reason I got them is because they were on sale in the promotion flyer for this month, and I didn't really see anything in there that was worth getting for the price, so I went with kind of the cheapest thing they had in there as far as tools that are useful. Here's another one it comes with, is a 1/8 inch flathead. And these are all 3-inch blades. So that's what the flathead blade looks like. Looks like pretty good quality. I don't know if they're magnetic. I don't think they are. And again, WIT, made in Germany. These have the hole here so you can hang them or maybe put something in through it, like a extension or another screwdriver for extra leverage. And then the other screwdriver is a number 1 Phillips, and brand new, never been used, pretty good quality. So far, so good. And then the last screwdriver is the 5/32 3-inch flathead screwdriver. This one's a little bit wider than the other one. Pretty nice. So anyways, let me know what you guys think about the Matco screwdrivers. This is the first brand new set I've ever owned. I only paid $35. That's funny. They all say 3 inch, but this one is a lot shorter. I kind of wonder if they're all 3.5 except this one. This one's probably 3 inch. These are 3.5. So I don't know what the deal is with that. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know if any of you have the Top Torque or Top Torque 2 screwdrivers. when I had him order these, I was looking at his big sets, and they're pretty expensive. I think they're under $300, and I really wanted the blue. I think the blue handles look really cool, or red, but all he had was a high-vis yellow and this green color. But for 300 bucks, I don't know if they're worth it. Maybe Wit would be a better one, just to get just that brand instead of with the Matco name. I think a lot of the Matco rebranded stuff is way overpriced just to have the Matco name on it. And I know you're getting a better kind of a lifetime warranty, better service, but I feel like they really inflate the price a little extreme. So, short video for you guys today. Like, comment, subscribe, and have a good rest of your day. We'll see you on the next video.